and welcome back to Beebeecraft. I'm Sarah and I'm on today to share with you a package that has been sent to me by Beebeecrafts. So I have done a few collaborations with Beebeecrafts in the past, and they contacted me to see if I wanted to have some more goodies from them. So obviously I said yes, and I got to pick a few items from the website. So I thought I'd jump on quickly and show you what I've ordered, what I chose, and then we can do some projects with them. So this all came really well packaged. It was all really well bubble wrapped, and yeah, there was nothing getting damaged in this parcel. So the first thing that I chose was this die set, which is obviously an alphabet. And I chose it because it was nice, big lettering, but also because with this die set, it sort of cuts out indentations in parts of the lettering. So you can either layer it up and have a couple of layers in there, or you can almost have like frame-like letters. And I thought it looked really interesting, and I haven't got anything like it. So I just thought that would be a really fun one to have a bit of a play with. So we will definitely need to use this for a project coming up. As you can see, it's full alphabet, it's all in cap locks. You even get an ampersand and a little full stop, so really nice size for doing titles in journal pages and things like that. That was the first thing I ordered. I ordered a little bag of beads just because I'd got a couple of pound left that I could spend, and beads are always helpful. And these are little glass beads, gorgeous little. I think they're 4mm. And the little like rondelle beads but in glass, and the colours are just, don't know if my camera will pick it up, but the colours are just beautiful, and they're cut in such a way that they're really quite sparkly. And I like the fact that there was lots of different colours in there. You've got some sea greens, some limes, some very pale pinks, yellows, ambery sort of colours. You've got all sorts in there, and they're really good just for finishing off little projects. Nice to start tassels or start little bits of jewellery. Really nice in earrings. So I thought they would go well with the next thing that I ordered, which was this. So this is a little make your own earring set. As you can see, I haven't opened it. So let's open it and see what we get inside. This was one of the things that I was most excited about. I was excited about all of this package, but I was really excited about these because I've got some ideas for these. So inside, it all comes packed in this lovely little box, which is a good start. And you can see what I mean by everything's really well packaged, so it doesn't get damaged in transit. So it comes packaged in this brilliant little box, and you get gold ear wires and jump rings, and you get silver ear wires and jump rings, and a nice bright silver as well. And then you get this huge stack of dies to cut earrings, and they have got the little hole already in the top for you, and you have got such a variety of shapes and sizes that you can mix and match to create your own earrings. And I've seen a lot of leather and sort of faux leather earrings being made just lately. And I've got another idea as well. So yeah, I just thought they were really, it looked amazing. And how many did you get? 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you get 20 dies in here for earrings. This one would create some like fringing on the side. You've got some real sort of classic shapes. You've got some really big, funky, they'd be cool. I've got an idea for that one. And then you've got this one that sort of marries up with that one. So that would look really cool with one colour underneath and then another colour, maybe in sort of faux leather, something like that. That would look really awesome. You've got your simple stars. You've got more sort of unusual shapes in there. That'd make a really nice statement piece. And of course you don't have to just use them for earrings. So you could add these onto tags, and you can add them onto projects. They're just amazing, geometric-y leaf patterns. You've got the teardrops. There's just so many different ones to choose from, and I'm super excited to get started with these. My mind was whirling with ideas for these last night, so I can't wait to get started with those. So that's probably going to be the first project with this order, because I'm so excited to get started with them. And then the other thing that I chose, I kept it quite simple this time, and I just went for a few sort of larger type of items. I picked these. Now, obviously, these are eyes for toy making and things like that. And I do amigurumi, so crocheted stuffed toys. I don't do tons of it, but I do it from time to time, and I will probably do a bit actually, but I have started another channel, the Fibre Sanctuary. I'll link it in the description box below. So if anybody is interested in knitting or crocheting, I have started a podcast for that, just because you get a lot of different, not everybody that's into papercraft is into knitting, and not everybody that's into knitting is into papercraft. So I've decided to break it down and have 2 channels. However, I thought you could use these. You could snip that shank off, because they'd come off dead easy with a pair of snips, and then you're just left with the flat eyeball. And I just thought, you know, can you imagine these at Halloween making some right good things? And you've got blue, you've got green, you've got brown, and then you've got just the solid black. In the solid black, you've got, it looks like four sizes, maybe 5. And then you've got 4 or 5. Yeah, it looks like you've got 4 or 5 sizes of each, actually. You've got a row of green, a row of brown, a row of black, and a row of blue. Yeah, so it looks like you've got potentially 5 different sizes. But yeah, I just thought they were awesome. Really cool. Great big ones, all the way down to the little tiny ones. And obviously you can use them on your knitting or your crochet or whatever, and it does come with the backs, because they are safety eyes, so to stop, you know, little ones being able to pull them out. I don't make crochet with these types of eyes for children, to be honest. If I'm making something for a baby or a toddler, I crochet, or I'll knit eyes, or I'll make felt ones and sew them on or something. I am quite cautious with it, but if I'm making them for me, then I do like these types of eyes, or if I'm making them for my older kids, I do tend to put these types of eyes in them. But like I say, I just thought you don't have to just use them for that sort of thing, because they've got the plastic shanks. They would cut off quite easily, and then you'd be left with that super cool eyeball that you can use in all sorts of creative ways. So those were the things that I chose this time from Beebeecraft. There was a little problem with the postage. For some reason it got sent back the first time they posted it, but they were absolutely fantastic. And as soon as they saw that it had been returned from customs or wherever, and perhaps the customs label hadn't been done properly, as soon as they saw that, they shipped it straight back out again, and then it was here within 10 days, something like that. So I've never ever had a problem while I've been working with Beebeecrafts, and I've always enjoyed the stuff that they've sent. So that was the things that I chose this month, and I am super looking forward to getting started, and I think we'll get started with the earring project tomorrow. So I hope you've enjoyed having a look at what Beebeecraft sent me. I will make sure I leave all of the links to their website in the description box below this video. I also have a discount code, so I'll leave that down there as well, and I will link all of the items individually so that you can go over and have a look. If there's any of these items that you fancy having a go at, you can go over and have a look and buy them for yourself. So that's it from me for now. I will see you in the next couple of days, and we'll get making some earrings. That's it from me for now. Bye.